Yeah, hi, this is Stefan from Sedalo. And there was a question about, hey, how can I get rid of that um, spreadsheet look that Streamsheets, of course, all the time has, because you can make here your nice formulas in there. So we can take a look here. So here we have the now formula. Here we are taking the value, for example, from another cell, and that's nice for designing a sheet. The question is now, how can I really make that visually more appealing, that I don't see all of these A, Bs, and so on. In the professional version, you can actually publish a sheet as an app with an anonymous login that you can send it to anybody. And but already in the open source version, we have something called the preview mode. And if you click that, then you see here now you're suddenly getting rid of all the grid and so on, and all of the ribbon bar and so on. And like that, you get it in a nice format. And what you see here is, of course, everything that you have on the sheet. If you have certain data calculations, for example, down here, this doesn't look too nice. I'm not sure whether you would always show something like that here. If you don't want to show that, then people typically make two sheets within one stream machine, and use one sheet for the data collection, all the calculation, and then they use the other sheet for visualization. So they pick up the data from the one sheet and visualize that over there, and they then only preview that visualization sheet. And then, of course, on the visualization sheet, you can just put whatever you want over there. And that's it for the moment. And I think that it could help you maybe a little bit. Thank you. Thank you very much.